If you've been scrolling through ads for Herbavita liquid drops, promising all-day energy, rapid metabolism support, improved hormonal balance, and a calmer mood, then stop right here. Because in this detailed review, you'll find out whether Herbavita is a genuinely effective wellness formula or simply another 2025 supplement scam wrapped in impressive marketing. Herbavita claims to solve a broad set of modern complaints: daily fatigue, slow metabolism, mild digestive issues, stress overload, and overall low vitality. Its formula includes ingredients like B vitamins, adaptogenic herbs such as ashwagandha, metabolic nutrients like L-carnitine, and plant extracts positioned as natural boosters for energy and hormonal harmony. Using it is straightforward. Place the recommended dose under your tongue once or twice per day and allow the liquid to absorb quickly, which the brand claims results in faster effects compared to capsules or gummies. On the positive side, some of these ingredients do have scientifically recognized roles. B vitamins support energy pathways. Ashwagandha can help reduce stress for some individuals. And L-carnitine may improve metabolic efficiency in people with deficiencies. Users who lack these nutrients may indeed feel slightly more energetic or mentally balanced after consistent use. The liquid form is convenient and easy to take, especially for people who dislike pills. However, Herbavita's drawbacks are impossible to ignore. First, there are no published clinical studies verifying the effectiveness of its final formula. Second, the dosage quantities are not always clearly listed, making it difficult to assess potency or compare it to standardized supplements. Third, independent reviewers note inconsistent results. Some users report mild improvements, while others experience no noticeable changes even after several weeks. The marketing itself triggers caution. Heavily stylized testimonials, vague all-natural breakthrough language, and dramatic claims of total body rebalance without scientific references. Several wellness watchdog sites point out that such red flags often indicate a rebranded or mass-market supplement sold at a premium price. When compared with evidence-based solutions, balanced nutrition, proper hydration, medical evaluations, targeted supplements with transparent ingredient testing, Herbavita liquid drops feel less like a revolutionary formula and more like a generalized tonic with uncertain benefits. My final verdict: Herbavita liquid drops are not outright fraudulent, but they are clearly overpromised, under-verified, and unlikely to produce dramatic results for most users. They may help with mild nutrient gaps or stress levels, but they should not replace professional medical guidance. For more honest, science-focused reviews that help you avoid marketing traps, don't forget to subscribe.